Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jay Cork of STEM Education Works, and I am here to show you a quick little video tutorial on how to use one of the newest features in DobotLab when you are controlling your Dobot Magician units or your Dobot Magician Lite units, specifically in the Python editing application. So I'm going to go ahead and jump here to Google Chrome, go up here to DobotLab. Of course, the site for that is dobotlab.dobot.cc. I'm going to jump into Python Lab, and the new feature here is that Dobot has incorporated a switch up in the upper right corner of your screen here, so you can switch between dark and light backgrounds. And the reason why this is so important is because sometimes, so originally Dobot had their format here where it was a dark background and then either white or light colored text on top of that dark background. While that certainly looks cool and everything, sometimes students with visual astigmatisms, they have issues with reading that light text on the dark background. So in order to reach out to the widest audience possible without encountering these visual astigmatism issues, we encouraged Dobot to incorporate this switch into here. So I would definitely encourage you guys to use the light background with the darker text on top. But it's totally up to you. The nice feature now is that you have the choice between choosing between a dark background and a light background. So just like normal, we can go ahead. I can pull up some code here. This is the code, some of the code that I worked on for our high school robotics curriculum. As you can see, you go ahead and press connect like normal. You go ahead and home your Dobot, start your code. So that is the newest feature in DobotLab. Happy coding.